What's up guys, welcome to another video. This is Amber Sood and welcome to my channel. And as you have seen in the previous videos, I've been doing a push-pull split and basically in a different gym. But because of the situation of COVID right now, I'm forced to do my workouts at home. And this series रुकेगा नहीं, we'll still keep working out, but except not in the public gym, at home. And I hope you guys are staying safe as well. But I'm going to take you guys through how you can set up your own home gym in the most efficient way possible while keeping your goals in mind. No matter what your goal is, you can always set up a home gym specifically to your budget, specifically to your goals, and I'm going to take you through that in this video. Extensive home gym, आपको इतने सारी चीज़ खरीदने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, but and I've got all the prices with me also, but मैं आपको ये बाद में बताऊँगा. First, I'm going to tell you exactly what kind of equipment you need for the goals that you are looking for. Okay. Firstly, I've got different kinds of plates here, and it's basically 20 kg plates, 15 kg plates, 10 kg plates and 5 kg plates. And I think this is perfect if you want a barbell and plates. These are the weights that you're probably looking for. And इसके साथ आप कोई भी Olympic movement कर सकते हो, कोई भी compound movement कर सकते हो. But if you don't have the space, if you don't have the budget, all you need to do is get dumbbells. ठीक है? Dumbbells में you don't have to get all of them. Understand कि आपका fitness level क्या है. And for me, I've got 30 kgs, 20 kgs and 10 kg dumbbells. बीच का कोई भी डंबल नहीं है मेरे पास, and I don't have the luxury to keep so many dumbbells also. So having a difference of maybe 10 kgs or even 5 kgs is more than enough. आप कोई भी exercise कर सकते हो उसके साथ. अगर आप weights ले रहे हो तो do not forget to get these rubber mats. Okay, rubber mats will probably cost you like 100 rupees or 200 rupees a mat, and वो बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है because अगर आपका flooring टूट जाएगा तो your parents will throw you out of the house. Okay, so keep that in mind. If you get these, you need the rubber mats as well. Dumbbells, plates, barbells, आप वो सब हटा सकते हो. But there are a few things you can even fix in your house to be able to do certain exercises. ठीक है? जैसे कि ये parallel bar dips, you need a carpenter to come and fix this in your house. तो अगर आपको permission है drill करने के लिए, तो you can actually put this. Very useful for any kind of pushing movement. Parallel bar dips is a compound movement. You can work your triceps, shoulders, chest, all of it, and it is super cheap as well. I got this on Amazon. आप भी Amazon से खरीद सकते हो, and delivery time can be even 1 day to 3 days. Very efficient. Same thing with the pull-up bar. The pull-up bar also is very efficient. It comes within 1500 rupees, very cheap for the amount of stuff that you can do on this. Okay. आपके कोई भी pull-up के goals हैं, any kind of pulling movement के goals हैं, you can always do this, and you can hang things from it also. Like you see, I've used the Olympic rings that are hung on this. You can hang a TRX on this. You can hang anything on this. Okay, and it's very solid. मैं almost 95-96 kgs का हूँ, and it can take my weight. Nothing has happened to it. Very solid, and it's something that you can invest in also. Dumbbells या barbells या plates खरीद रहे हो, you should get a bench with it as well. क्योंकि आप बेंच पे काफ़ी चीज़ कर सकते हो. एडजस्टेबल बेंच खरीदोगे तो थोड़ा लिटिल मोर एक्सपेंसिव, बट यू कैन गेट अ फ्लैट बेंच ऑल्सो दैट यू कैन वर्क ऑन. बट मेक श्योर इट्स स्टडी. तो स्टडी नहीं रहेगा, जस्ट मेक श्योर देयर इज अ वेरी फाइन लाइन बिटवीन क्वालिटी एंड बजट. ठीक है? इफ यू स्पेंड अ लिटिल बिट एक्स्ट्रा, यू विल बी सेफ. आपको इंजरीज नहीं होंगे. अगर ये अनस्टेबल रहेगा तो बहुत चांसेस है इंजरी होने का. सो मेक श्योर दैट यू हैव अ स्टडी बेंच, वेदर इट्स फ्लैट और एडजस्टेबल, वो छोड़ो. अगर आपके पास ज़्यादा बजट है तो आप एडजस्टेबल बेंच ले सकते हो versus a normal flat bench. It's much cheaper. ठीक है? So make that call yourself. But this is a very effective part of your home gym. ठीक है? Now another thing, अगर आप plates and barbell ले रहे हो, then this becomes a very important part of the setup. ठीक है? This is basically an adjustable squat rack. अगर आप squat कर रहे हो and you are trying to go slightly heavy, you need something like this to be able to take the weight. ठीक है? अगर नहीं होगा तो you have to take the bar on your back and do it, which is very difficult, and आप progress नहीं कर पाओगे. So अगर आपके पास budget है तो आप ये लो. अगर आपके पास budget नहीं है at all, don't even think of getting plates and a barbell. ठीक है? But dumbbell will always do you better because you can use it in many different ways. Okay, it depends on your goal. आपका goal क्या है वो उसके हिसाब से देखो, and of course then comes the budget, and try to spend on the most efficient things possible. Okay. Now speaking of the most efficient thing, मैं आपको एक equipment के बारे में बात करूँगा जो कि is the most versatile piece of equipment that you can ever use. दैट इज द केटलबेल। आप केटलबेल के साथ फुल बॉडी एक्सरसाइज कर सकते हो and it is something that can give you more benefit than a dumbbell. Okay, and I'll make a separate video on kettlebell workouts and how it can be very effective for you. A kettlebell can be used in many more ways than a dumbbell. Okay, a dumbbell can only be held like this. A kettlebell can be swung around in all kinds of ways, and this is much more beneficial for your shoulder health, stability, core activation, all of it. Okay, so if you have to spend on one thing, अगर आपके पास पॉकेट में 2000 रुपये हैं तो स्पेंड इट ऑन अ केटलबेल एंड नथिंग एल्स। अगर आपके पास ज़्यादा बजट नहीं है, आई विल टेल यू वन मोर पीस ऑफ इक्विपमेंट विच इज सुपर चीप दैट कैन मेक योर लाइफ वेरी डिफिकल्ट बट इन अ गुड वे। ठीक है, रेजिस्टेंस बैंड। ठीक है, रेजिस्टेंस बैंड्स के साथ आप वेट ऐड कर सकते हो, रेजिस्टेंस ऐड कर सकते हो एंड यू विल हैव टू स्पेंड लेस ऑन डंबल्स और प्लेट्स और एनीथिंग लाइक दैट जस्ट बिकॉज आप ये बांध के वो एक्सरसाइज को ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट कर सकते हो। When you buy any piece of equipment, it always comes by per kg. Okay, just spending you have to spend per kg of any kind of equipment that you are trying to get. ठीक है, तो अगर आप 30 kg डंबल पर स्पेंड कर रहे हो, आपको ज़्यादा स्पेंड करना होगा वर्सेस द 10 kg डंबल। बट आप 10 kg डंबल खरीद के अगर आप ये बैंड यूज़ करो, you can make that 10 kg into a 30 kg. Okay, so use these kind of things to make your gym setup cheaper and more effective as well. ठीक है, if you've never used a resistance band, I'm going to show you a few exercises also. I'm going to make specific workouts to help you understand how you can use this. But for now, I'm telling you, spend money on things like this rather than only buying weights or only buying certain things. मैंने सारे इक्विपमेंट के बारे में आपको बता दिया है। आई वांट टू टेल यू सर्टेन इक्विपमेंट्स दैट इट्स फालतू का खर्चा। ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल एब रोलर, इट्स गुड बट नॉट गुड इनफ फॉर योर होम जिम सेटअप। अगर आपके पास लिमिटेड इक्विपमेंट है खरीदने को, डोंट गेट एनी ऑफ दीज थिंग्स। आपका बॉडी वेट काफ़ी है आपके कोर को एक्टिवेट करने के लिए। ठीक है, इफ यू वांट टू बाय अ फोम रोलर, यू गेट सम चीप फोम रोलर समवेयर, इट्स अ गुड थिंग टू हैव। बट इफ यू हैव अनदर पर्सन स्टेइंग विद यू, यू कैन ऑलवेज गेट do stretches, you can do mobility exercises to be able to get the effectiveness of a foam roller. अगर आपके पास ऑलरेडी है यूज़ कर सकते हो, बट डोंट गो आउट ऑफ योर वे एंड स्पेंड ऑन दिस बिफोर स्पेंडिंग ऑन अदर थिंग्स। मैंने जब होम जिम सेटअप किया था, मेरे पास उसका बिल है मेरे पास, सो आई वांट टू टेल यू एग्जैक्टली व्हाट प्राइसेस यू कैन गेट ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स फॉर, एंड आपको जो सही लगे यू कैन स्पेंड योर मनी ऑन दैट। ओके, सो बेसिकली व्हेन यू बाय इक्विपमेंट यू हैव टू पे पर केजी। मैंने बोला था आपको, तो आप प्लेट खरीद रहे हो, आप डंबल खरीद रहे हो, आप और 20 kg बार खरीद रहे हो, आपको पर केजी ही देना होगा। ठीक है, सो फॉर एन ओलंपिक बार्बेल विच इज 20 kg is 8,250 rupees. So think twice before you want to get a barbell with plates. Okay, barbell with plates आपको बहुत कॉस्टली होगा because per kg for a plate will cost you, it cost me 165 rupees per kg, and I have approximately almost 200 kgs of प्लेट वर्थ वेट। तो आप खुद से सोचो, अगर मेरे पास 200 kgs है, 165 रुपीज़ पर kg को कितना पड़ेगा। सो थिंक वेरी प्रॉपरली बिफोर यू गो इनटू दैट। वर्सेस अगर आप डंबल पे पैसा खर्च करोगे तो यू विल हैव टू स्पेंड 117 रुपीज़ पर kg, विच इज़ सो मच लेसर, 50 रुपीज़ लेस इफ यू स्पेंड ऑन डंबल्स। तो आप डंबल पे खरीदो, यू कैन डू डेफिनेटली, यू कैन डू मोर एक्सरसाइजेज विद इट ऑल्सो, एंड यू कैन यूज the band to make it more difficult for yourself. तो आप बहुत चीज़ कर सकते हो डंबल के साथ। Spend approximately 2,500 rupees on a 18 kg kettlebell. So you can only imagine if you get an 18 kg kettlebell and maybe a 5 or 10 kg kettlebell, आप उसके साथ सारे एक्सरसाइज कर सकते हो and more. So if you spend on a kettlebell, you are spending less money to be able to do more exercises and more things towards fitness versus a dumbbell or a plate. Okay, so that is something that you can decide for yourself. Okay? Another very effective piece of equipment is a skipping rope. A skipping rope comes for 100 rupees and you can do your entire cardio session with that, and it will also strengthen your lower body, strengthen your vertical jump and everything. Super effective. अगर आपके पास बहुत कम budget है, spend it on skipping rope. Very simple, very easy. Learn how to do skipping, and you'll be able to use it very effectively. The dip bar that I told you about, that costs 1,349 rupees for a dip bar, and उस पे आप इतने सारे ab exercises और push exercises भी कर सकते हो. Very effective, and you can do basically a compound movement which is dips. Very important when it comes to your upper body strength. So if you have a little bit extra to spend, 1,300 rupees is not that much, then you can spend it on that. For the resistance bands that I spoke to you about, you can get a resistance band which is slightly thin for 600 rupees, okay, for one band, and वो आपको added resistance 15 kg या 20 kg तक भी दे सकता है. So you can only imagine instead of spending 120 rupees per kg for a dumbbell, you're adding 20 kgs to your movements by spending 600 rupees only. So you can see how effective a resistance band is to be able to make your gym the most efficient and cost-effective gym in the world. Okay, now this pull-up bar that you see behind me is 1,549 rupees. Again, Amazon link, मैं आपको link दूंगा description में. Go have a look at it. And if you really want a pull-up bar, this is the pull-up bar that you need. It can take my weight, which is 96 kgs, and there's been no problem with it. It's still solid, okay? And उस पे आप कुछ भी hang कर सकते हो, and it can be very effective for your upper body strength again, and you can do a lot of exercises around it. So that's something you need to spend on. So this was a basic introduction to a home gym and how you can set it up for yourself, keeping a budget, keeping your goals in mind. And I hope this helped you. I hope this gives you an idea कि आप क्या खरीद सकते हो and for how much. And अगर ये वीडियो आपको helpful लगा, if you found anything useful in this video, please like, share, comment, and let me know in the comment section if you want me to talk about something else. And if you feel like something is accessible to you and I might not have spoken about it, let me know in the comments and I'm going to help you guys. I'm wrapping up the video here, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.